let's start our today's lecture. I'm going to share the slides of today's lecture. Before starting the lecture, there are some rules for the online class that you need to be punctual and ready to learn. Mute your microphones when you are not speaking. Raise your virtual hands when you need to speak and keep your cameras on and stay focused. Uh, in the previous lectures, we have already studied the rational number and the form of rational number where we need to make the denominator positive and where we need to make the numerator positive. So today we are going to start the question number 6, start from the question number 6. And before starting the question number 6, there you should know the standard form of the rational number. As I told you that the rational number will be in a fractional form. But the standard form of rational number is that the denominator should never be negative, right? If it is written in this form, then this is not the standard form of the rational number. The standard form of rational number will be like this one. The denominator will always be in a positive form. The standard form of rational number is that the denominator should be in a positive way, in a positive form. Okay. So let's start with the question number 6. Before starting question number 6, can I ask you something, that whether you have done your homework or not? Have you done your home task? Have you people done your home task? Okay, let's start the question number 6. He said, express -2 over -5 as a rational number, whose denominator is 5, right? If I want to make this denominator a positive 5, what I will have to do, I will simply multiply both the terms with -1 so that the answer will be positive 5. Is this so? Is this so? Is it okay? Yes, Rafe. Yes, Rafe, what is the question?
मैम
Yes.
मैम ये हम लिखें साथ साथ कॉपी पे
Yes, you can write it. Yes, Yednik.
मैम this is the page number 20.
Is this the page number 20? Is it? Yes, it's page number 20, exercise 2A.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
Okay, now he said this is part number A. The next part is express -2 by 5 as a rational number whose denominator is -15. Now I have to make this -5 into, convert this -5 into -15. What I will do, I will simply multiply the denominator with 3 in order to make it -15. But according to the rules of the fraction, whatever we need to do in the denominator, the same we will do in the numerator. So the answer will be -16 by -15. Yes, Rafe, what is the question?
मैम हम ये पूरा लिखें एक्सप्रेस -2 by 5 as a rational number whose denominator is.
Yes, write the question first, then write the part 1 and solve this one. Then write part 2, solve this one. Write part 3 and then I will have to do the part 3. That's very simple. Okay, the next is you have to make the denominator 40. Anyone who can raise your hand, who can raise his or her hand and tell me, yes, Aiza. Very quick response.
Yes, ma'am. So first, the original question, it says -2 by -5, and now since the number is positive, minus minus equals plus. So that is why, in order for the denominator to be 40, we will multiply it by 8, and whatever goes on the denominator goes to the numerator, like you said. So I have minus 2 by minus 5 multiplied by minus 8 by minus 8 equals 16 by 40.
16 by 40. Is this correct? Is this correct? Yes, this is correct. Now the next part. Yes, Taha Khurram.
मैम मैंने ये कहना था कि वो जो फ्राइडे वाली क्लास थी वो हमने अटेंड नहीं की थी, हमें पता नहीं था कि वो क्लास 11 बजे है।
Okay.
कोई मैसेज नहीं आया था ग्रुप पर कि 11 बजे क्लास है।
Uh-huh. I will share the screenshot. Okay.
नहीं मैम वो तो काम कर ली, वैसे बताना था कि अटेंडेंस कम हो गया ना।
I already shared the link, Zoom link on the group.
मैम वो नहीं पता था कि क्लास 11 बजे।
You have to see that, na? Okay. Now the next is you have to make the denominator minus 50. Yes, Taha, is there any other question? Taha, any other question? Imaz.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of question 4?
Yes, you can.
But for ma'am, we will write minus 2 by minus 5. Then we will multiply it by 10 by 10.
10 by 10. Why not minus 10?
And then because it will turn into positive, and they are saying to make the denominator negative.
Negative, yes. So the answer will be minus 20 by minus 50. Okay, this was the question number 6. Now we need to do the question number 7. I hope you people have done this. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just solve this question number 6. Hurry up. Everyone done? Okay, now let's move. Yes, Rafe.
मैं बस 2 मिनट दे दें, कर बस आखिरी वाला लिख रहा हूँ।
Okay, okay. Those who have completed question number 6, just write question number 7 in your notebooks. Express the following rational numbers with a positive denominator. Yes, Faiz. What is the question?
Teacher, I don't know, like my notebook, I lost it. Okay, like in the house, I don't know where to find it, so like I cannot write it.
You can write it in your on your rough notebook.
I don't have no rough notebook.
Any page?
No, not any page.
Then do it on your book.
Okay.
Okay, let's move towards the question number 7. The question is express the following rational numbers with a positive denominator. We need to convert the negative denominator into a positive one. But if the denominator is already positive, then we will simply write the question. Okay. So the first question is minus 7 over 1. Minus 7 over 1. It means that this minus sign is already with the numerator. We simply write it like this one. We simply write it like this one. Is this clear? This is the answer of part number 1. Is this clear? Okay, the next is -5 by -2. We need to, yes, Imaz.
मैम ये क्या कहते हैं क्वेश्चन 7 हमने कॉपी पे करना है?
Yes, yes, every question. You have to do each and every
Okay,
question
ma'am.
on your notebooks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the next is -5 by -2. I need to make this -2 a positive one. What I will do, I will simply, yes, Aiza.
मैम इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -1 और मल्टीप्लाई बाय -1.
Yes, exactly. So multiply -1, the answer will be 5 by 2. Right? Now again, the next part, -31 over -3, multiply it with -1 over -1, the answer will be 31 by 3. Is this clear? These questions are very simple questions. The last part is -9 over 5. This will be your homework, right? This will be your home task. Yes, Salman. Shahzaman. Yes, Shahzaman.
Ma'am, can you explain again question number 7, part 3?
Part B.
Part 3.
Part 3. Okay. Do not mute yourself. Okay. Do not mute yourself.
Okay.
Just listen to me. The question is -31 over -3. We just need to make the denominator into a positive one, right? We need to make the
Yes.
denominator positive. Clear? What we need to do in
Yes.
order to make it positive, I have to multiply it with -1, right?
Yes.
So whatever we need to do in the denominator, the same we will be doing in the numerator, right?
Yes. Yes.
So the answer will be 31 divided by 3.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now we need to do question number 8. We need to do question number 8. Yes, Akib.
मैम कौन सा क्वेश्चन होमवर्क थे मैम?
This is part number 4. Question number 7, part number 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever we are not doing in the class is your home task.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next is, I hope you people have completed this question number 7. Coming towards the question number 8. Question number 8 is very simple question, yet you need to understand the concept very well. See this. He said represent the following rational numbers on the number line. I told you earlier that if there is a rational number and you have to represent that rational number on a number line. Yes, Imaz?
मैम ये क्वेश्चन 7 का पार्ट 1 इतना बता देंगी?
Question 7, part 1. Imaz, don't mute yourself. Just listen to me.
Okay, ma'am.
If the minus sign is like this one, if the minus sign is in this one, right, this one, okay, it means that the minus sign will be with the numerator. Just write this one. There is no
Okay,
need
ma'am.
to make the denominator positive because denominator is already positive. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now coming towards the question number 8. I told you earlier that whenever you have to represent the rational number on a number line, the first concept is just see the denominator. If you can see, the denominator in part 1 is 4. The denominator in part 1 is 4. Just draw a straight line with the help of ruler, right? Just draw a straight line with the help of ruler. I do not have a scale here, so I'm just putting the line. Is this clear? Okay. Now, we know that in the middle of the line, there is always a 0. Clear? On the right hand side, on this right hand side, we have the positive values, and on the left hand side, we have the negative values. Clear? How much gap I have to leave between the numbers will show by the denominator. If you can see, the denominator is 4. If you can see, the denominator is 4. We have to skip 4 spaces. We have to skip 4 spaces. How? 1, 2, 3, and at fourth one, I will write 1. Is this clear? Again, 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and at fourth one, I will write 2. Is this clear? Same. 1, 2, 3, and at fourth one, I will write -1. 1, 2, 3, and at fourth one, I will write -2. Then 1, 2, 3, and at fourth one, I will write -3. Then at 1, 2, 3, and fourth one, I will write -4. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now see this. If you are leaving the space accurately, then first of all, close the number line. Close the number line with the arrows. Okay. Now, you have to represent -11/4. You have to represent -11/4. Now, how we calculate -11? This is the point 0, right? Starting with the point 0, as we are representing the minus number, we have to see on the left hand side. I have to calculate 11 numbers. How? See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. This is -11/4. First of all, I'm telling you again, first of all, divide the number line into 4 equal parts. Divide the number line into 4 equal parts. Now, whatever the number is on the numerator, just count those lines. Just count those lines and mark 11/4. Is this clear to everyone? If it is not, then please raise your hands. If it is not, then please raise your hands. Yes, Yadnik. Yes, Yadnik.
Ma'am, I does not understand.
Speak loudly.
Ma'am, I can't understand
What?
the number line.
The number line?
Yes.
Which part of the number line?
Ma'am, the 8 and 1. Question number 8 and the part 1.
I said, do you have any idea about the number line?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Then please hold on. Let me ask from others as well. Then I will answer you. Okay. Yes, Anaya. अनाया
मैम आप नंबर लाइन एक और बार समझा सकती हैं?
ओके यस राफे
मैम हमने ये बनाना है।
यस डेफिनेटली Okay, now listen again. Listen again. Listen again. First of all, we have to draw a line. We have to draw a straight line. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Now, in the middle of the line, I have to put another line which is representing as 0. Right? I will write 0. Is this clear to everyone? This step is clear to everyone? Okay. Now, on the right hand side, all the values will be positive, and on the left hand side, all the values will be negative. On the left hand side of the 0, all the values will be negative. On the right hand side of the 0, all the values will be positive. Is this clear? This step is clear? Okay. Now, the next step is we have to see the denominator. We have to see the denominator. The denominator is 4. The denominator is 4. We have to convert this number line into 4 equal parts. Into 4 equal parts. How I am going to do this? Just see this. Just see this. I have to mark 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and at the 4th space, I will write 1. I will write 1. Yes, Taha.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Taha Hassan. I'm going to remove you from the meeting. Okay. Now, we just mark 4 lines. We just mark 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one. At the 4th one, I will write 1. Clear? Now, again, I have to leave 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and 4 spaces. And what I will write 2. Is this clear? Is this step clear? Is this step clear to everyone? Now, same is the case on the left hand side. On the left hand side, I will leave 4 spaces and I will write -1. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4 spaces, I will write -2. Then 4 spaces, I will write -3. Then 4 spaces, I will write -4. Is this step clear to everyone? Yes, Yednik. Yednik, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what we need to do, we need to put the value -11/4 on the number line. How I am going to calculate it? Just see this. Whatever the number is written on the numerator side, I have to count it before and after the 0. If the number is negative, I will be doing it on the left hand side. If the number is positive, I will be doing it on the right hand side. The number is negative, that is -11. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. This is -11/4. Now is this clear? Now is this clear? Yednik? Okay. Anaya Rehan, is this clear? Anaya Rehan, is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we will be doing this question in tomorrow's class, as the time is almost over. You just need to do this part as a homework of question number 7, right? Now, for the time being, I need to sign it out. I hope you have done question number 6, 7, and the eighth one part 1. Okay. Right now I'm signing it out. Take care. Allah Hafiz.